In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to factory reset Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type settings. Once it appears, launch it. Now head over to the section System. Under that, you're gonna find the option Recovery. Click on it and you'll see the section called Reset this PC. Now click on Reset PC. And you'll be given two options, keep my files or remove everything. If you want a full reset like a fresh installation, select remove everything. After that, you'll see two more options, cloud download and local reinstall. Since we are reinstalling Windows using files already on the system, choose local reinstall and click next. Now you'll see a summary screen saying your PC is ready to reset. It will show you what will be removed including personal files, apps and settings. If everything looks correct, click on reset to begin the process. Your PC will now restart and start the reset process automatically. It may take some time, but once it's done, your Windows 11 will be fresh and running like new again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.